डिपार्टमेंटाचे डिमांड्स आसा.
Now, also there, I condemn the statement made by Nilesh Bab Kabra and Klaus Alvarez yesterday. म्हाका दिसता the Honorable Chief Minister हेजी दखल घेवपाक जाय. We were yesterday और भाशण दिलें कालचे दिसाक पर्सनल उलोवप न्हू. आतां म्हाका दिसता गोवा फावंडेशन्स कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन टुवर्ड्स द स्टेट आमचो सैम राखपाक आमचें पर्यावरण राखपाक खूब आसा. खास करून these NGOs, they are protecting today what is little that is left. This government's interest is only selling of land. And when this convergence today, everything, most of the government decisions are challenged, are sub judice, and are all in the favor of this Goa Foundation. Goa Foundation's contribution resulted in revenue to the government. As for with regards to the way Goa Mineral Fund was kitlo lokank mining beltank lokank poiso melo. How much revenue the government will get through restarting of mining. So these are all these things are very sensitive. कितें उलोवच न्हू पर्सनल हें सोबना आमदाराक पर्सनल स्टेटमेंट मारपाक. You have something, do it on the merit. If you have something ज्या पद्दतीन आज गोंयांत destruction of lands all across this. So these NGOs are active. In fact, we have to congratulate them. Instead of that, की आमकां इतलो revenue हाडलो, इतली land आमचे साल्वार जालो. So I basically say, कालच्या दिसाक तुमचो येयलो काडा लँडाचो प्रश्न आशिल्लो. ह्या श्रीमंत लोकांक 3-3.5 लाख जमीन दिली, पूण बारीक लोकांक कितें, लोकांक आज जे शेतकार आहेत त्यांचे कितें. सो एवरीथिंग हॅज बीन बायपास. द काडा बोर्ड वॉज बायपास. दॅट इज वेन दीज NGOs देअर मॅटर वॉज ऑल्सो सबजुडीस. आज रेव्हेन्यूचे डिमांड आहे आणि ह्या डिमांडाक आमी जे failure of the collectors in various sectors, failure of the administration, failure in issuing sanas, ज्या पद्धतीन लेबर एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंटाचे प्रश्न आसा with regards to failure of empowerment of the youth. आज गोंयकार is one of the जे आमगेले आम म्हणटाय की एक Goa has to move in the direction sustainable goals and whatever, but the youth today are moving towards goals of drugs, towards alcohol, and all this is a basic issue in this is because of unemployment. Unemployment is one of the biggest issues in our state. This ministry has failed completely. Also science and technology, जे waste centeran जाता, the way garbage management has happened. Scrapyard policy हाडची म्हणून एक प्रश्न झालो. Where is the scrapyard policy? So all these things we will raise.
युरी बाबा लिकर स्कॅम म्हणटा न्ही तो केदो व्हडलो आसपाक शकता हाका इन अमाउंट जर धरत.
Now if you look, 1,300 odd cases are booked in the excise department through various different forms of it. Now looks like there was an exit route also, Latambarshe, on the border. So this is a huge scam. Hundreds of crores manufacturing that is happening in the state of Goa is going unchecked. If you look at the reply I highlighted to the Honorable Chief Minister, only two officers were basically transferred and सगळे show cause notice. So हे सगळे reply पड आमकां मेळ्ळा. We will definitely speak during demands. There is a huge scam happening in the state of Goa, and this cannot happen without the connivance of a politician, without a nexus of officers. So this demands are timer आम्ही उलयतले.
सीएमन काल रिप्लाय केलं की मॅन्युफॅक्चर गोंयान जायना म्हणून. सीएमन काल म्हटलं की मॅन्युफॅक्चर लिकर गोंयान जायना म्हणून.
सीएम कितें उलयता हें आज तें मेळटो लासोल मू तो ट्रक लासोल मू तेज लागून तें कोणा जाल्यार तोय वचपाचो कोणान दवरला. बिकॉज इट वॉज बेजिकली देवान दाखोवन दिला. तेगे थोडे देवा मनीस नाय खूंय गेले ते देवाको उलयता तेंकोड नाल्यार लक्ष घेवचें तेंकोडे आहलो तें एक्सायज डिपार्टमेंट पण तेंकोडे एक्सपिरियन्स घेवचें. हें आज जात तें कितें देवान दाखोवन दिलां इतलो एल्कोहोल आहा म्हणून आनी दुसरे उलयता ते ओरिजिनल डुप्लिकेट जाल्यार चोवपाक जाय. तें उलयता ते मुखेलमंत्री सांगताय की बाबा कितको चॅक करप मान चॅक कर. मुखेलमंत्री काय माना हांवूय माना चॅक आनी डुप्लिकेट आनी ओरिजिनल हे प्रश्न घाते. ओरिजिनल आहलो डुप्लिकेट आहलो का कितको चॅक करपाचें टाक्को मारपा न्हू.
काल आमी पयले एक क्वेश्चन मायकलान घातलेलो आनी मायकल थंय पावलो ना. सो तुमी कशें कितें रिएक्ट करता?
No, see, 100% questions that have to. This is the Honorable Chief Minister. Unless there's a medical emergency or some reason, then there is a thing to do. Why was the Chief Minister? I mean, the Speaker needs to look into.
Okay.